Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. I have used dissolvable labels before, but these are by far the best that I have ever used. These are the dissolvable labels from Brewing America, and they literally just rinse right off. I don't even have to scrub them or anything, and they don't leave an outline or a residue or anything. I also find these really handy to use in my pantry so that I can see what everything is without having to pull it out. I meal prep for my baby all the time, so I really like being able to use these because I can just see everything very clearly and I know exactly what to grab. It saves me a ton of time. I make little frozen yogurt popsicles for my baby, so I like being able to put this label on that so I know what kind I made, and then I can even take it off that and put it on the bag that I put them in, which is really cool, so I don't have to use another label. I like the amount of space that's on each label because it's enough space to write what it is and when I made it so that I don't forget. If you love labeling everything in your kitchen like I do, and you want an easier way to do it that doesn't leave a sticky mess, I highly recommend these. I will be using these forever. These are my favorite, and I cannot say enough good things about them, and that's my point of view.